Today we're going to talk about something very important, your heart. Your heart is like your motor that powers your body. You simply need to keep the machine well oiled. It allows you to do all the things you love, like playing sports, dancing, traveling, or just hanging out with your friends and family. Your heart is also, at least in a figurative sense, the center of your emotions, your passions, and your dreams. No one can get far without it. But did you know that your heart can also be in danger if you don't pay attention to your lifestyle and diet? One of the biggest threats to your heart health is arterial plaque, which is a buildup of fat, cholesterol, and other substances in your arteries. This can narrow your arteries and reduce blood flow to your heart and other organs. This can lead to major consequences, such as heart attack, stroke, or even death. Fear not, there are ways to prevent and reverse arterial plaque and keep your heart happy and healthy. In this video, we're going to share with you some of the best tips and tricks to improve your cardiovascular health and avoid plaque buildup. You'll be surprised by how easy and fun it can be to take care of your heart. So if you're ready to learn more about how to keep your heart strong and beautiful, then simply stay tuned. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and heart-healthy smoothie that will boost your cardiovascular health and prevent plaque buildup in your arteries. But before we get into the recipe, let's discuss why this smoothie is so good for your heart. It's not just the sweet and delicious flavor, although that certainly doesn't hurt. This smoothie contains some of the best foods and vitamins for cardiovascular health, such as blueberries, flax seeds, and turmeric. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, incredible antioxidants that can lower blood pressure, enhance blood vessel function, and prevent oxidative damage. Flax seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid, which is an omega-3 fatty acid derived from plants that can crush cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and prevent clotting. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that can improve endothelial function, reduce oxidative stress, and prevent plaque formation. Combine these ingredients and you have incredible fusion of flavor and heart-boosting power. These ingredients are also combined with yogurt and almond milk, which provide calcium and magnesium, essential minerals for regulating blood pressure and heart rhythm. And to enhance the absorption of curcumin, we're adding a dash of black pepper for the piperine it contains. Piperine naturally facilitates the process of curcumin, which enhances its effects. This smoothie is not only excellent for your heart, but also a blast for your taste buds. It's creamy, refreshing, and naturally sweet. It's also incredibly easy to make. All you need is a blender and a few simple ingredients. First, you'll need 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. These little berries are packed with anthocyanins, which are pigments that give them the blue color. Anthocyanins are also powerful antioxidants, which means they can safeguard your cells against these pesky free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and inflammation in your body, which can damage your blood vessels and increase plaque formation. By eating blueberries, you're doing wonders for your blood pressure, improving your blood vessel functionality, and hindering oxidative damage to your heart and arteries. Half cup of yogurt. This dairy product is a good source of calcium and magnesium, which are minerals that are vital for your heart health. Calcium and magnesium can help regulate your blood pressure and heart rhythm, as they are involved in the contraction and relaxation of your heart muscle and blood vessels. Yogurt is famous for being rich in probiotics, which are helpful bacteria that can improve your intestinal health and immune system. Probiotics can also lower your cholesterol levels and prevent the absorption of harmful substances in your bloodstream. A 4th cup of unsweetened almond milk. This plant-based milk is a good alternative to cow's milk, as it is lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can clog your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. Additionally, almond milk contains vitamin E, an antioxidant that can boost your cell's defense against free radicals. Almond milk also provides magnesium, a powerful tool against high blood pressure, while also assisting in regulating your heart rhythm. 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. These seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, which, as we discussed earlier, contains omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for your heart health, as they can lower your cholesterol, blood pressure, and inflammation levels and prevent blood clots from forming. Flax seeds also contains lignans, which are phytoestrogens that can modulate your hormone levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Flax seeds also provide fiber, which can help with managing cholesterol and blood sugar. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This spice is famous for its bright yellow color and its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a compound that can inhibit the activity of NF-κB, a protein that regulates inflammation in your body, and inflammation is a key factor in plaque formation and cardiovascular disease, as it can damage your blood vessel walls and attract more plaque deposits. By eating turmeric, you can bolster your endothelial function, which is how your blood vessels contract and dilate. You can also reduce oxidative stress and prevent plaque formation in your arteries. A pinch of pepper. This spice is not only good for adding flavor to your food, but also for enhancing the absorption of curcumin. Black pepper contains piperine, which is a compound that can increase the bioavailability of curcumin by inhibiting its metabolism in the liver. This means that more curcumin can reach your bloodstream and exert its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on your heart and arteries. A few ice cubes. These frozen water crystals are not only good for making your smoothie cold and refreshing, but also for hydrating your body. Water is essential for your cardiovascular health as it helps transport nutrients and oxygen to your cells and removes waste products from your body. Water also helps maintain your blood volume and pressure, as well as prevent dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. As you can see, each ingredient in this smoothie has a specific role in improving your cardiovascular health and preventing plaque buildup in your arteries. By drinking this smoothie regularly, you can nourish your heart and enjoy a delicious treat at the same time. Another great thing about this smoothie, you can enjoy it at any time and still reap all the benefits that it provides. Whether you prefer to get a quick boost in the morning, a pick-me-up in the afternoon, or a solid infusion of nutrients in the evening, there's no bad time to enjoy this delicious smoothie. Keep in mind that this smoothie, while delicious and healthy, should not be your sole source of cardiovascular health. Try to couple your daily routine of enjoying this smoothie with other forms of health activity. For example, exercise regularly. Physical activity can strengthen your heart muscle, lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels, improve your blood circulation, and prevent obesity and diabetes. Aim for a little more than 2 hours of aerobic exercise per week, such as a fast-paced walking, jogging, biking, or even swimming for less stress on your joints. Manage stress. Stress can have a negative impact on your cardiovascular health, as it can raise your blood pressure and heart rate, trigger inflammation and oxidative stress, and affect your mood and behavior. Stress can also manifest in largely negative habits such as excessive eating, alcohol consumption, or drug abuse. To deal with stress in a healthy way, try to identify the primary cause of stress in your life, then look for healthy ways to address them. Some examples are meditation, yoga, breathing exercises, hobbies, social support, counseling, and therapy. Get enough sleep. Sleep is necessary for a healthy heart, which in turn contributes to healthy bodily function and repair. Lack of sleep can impair your immune system, increase inflammation and oxidative stress, disrupt your hormone levels, and affect your appetite and metabolism. Sleep deprivation can also increase your blood pressure and heart rate and impair your cognitive function and mood. To get enough sleep, you need to follow a regular sleep schedule, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, limit screen time at night, create a comfortable and dark sleeping environment, and avoid naps during the day. We hope you enjoyed learning about this delicious and heart-healthy smoothie recipe and how it can benefit your cardiovascular health. We also hope you found some useful tips and tricks on how to improve your lifestyle habits and support your heart and arteries. Remember, your heart is the most important organ in your body, so you need to take care for it accordingly. By sticking to a healthy diet, working out on a regular basis, and getting sufficient sleep, you can keep your heart strong and happy. And by drinking this smoothie, you can also treat yourself to a tasty and nutritious drink that will boost your heart health and prevent plaque buildup in your arteries. Why wait another minute? Grab your blender and give this smoothie a try. You won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. Also, don't forget to comment and let us know what you think of this smoothie recipe.